Hello guys, welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials channel. Today, we are going to talk on how to cancel order in TikTok. We all know that TikTok is one of a trending application these days. We can upload our photos or videos and also we can order through it. So, when we are going to buy and if we want to cancel our order, there are very simple steps to follow. Okay, so just follow these steps to be successful in canceling your order in TikTok. All right, so let's get started. The first thing you need to do, guys, is just to download your TikTok application on the Play Store or App Store. But if you have already a TikTok app, of course, let's open it immediately. All right, so let's look for the TikTok app here in our phone. Okay, all right, and there it is. So once we are done in opening the TikTok app, as you can see, guys, over here at the lower part of the screen, there are 5 icons. The home page icon, the shop, the plus sign icon, the inbox, and your profile. Right, so since we are going to cancel an order, of course, we have to go to the shop. Okay, so let's say, for example, let's look for an item. Okay, select this one. Let's click this and order it. So add to cart and select a color that we want. So let's say, for example, color pink. Click confirm. All right, added to cart, and now let's go to the cart. At the upper right part of the screen, there is a cart icon. So let's click it and click this. Okay, comb. All right, and check out. So once we're done in checking out, as you can see, guys, there is a payment method. Of course, we have to choose the cash on delivery and place order. Okay, so since we are going to cancel our order, okay, we have to click this view order and click this change address or cancel order. So since we're going to cancel it, click cancel order, and we have also here choices why we canceled our order. It says here, need to change payment method, discount not as expected, order created by mistake, high delivery cost, better price available, wrong delivery information, or product wasn't shipped on time. So let's select from this, like say for example, order created by mistake. Okay, and click submit. All right, so your cancellation request was approved by TikTok, it says here. All right, so there you go. This is on how to cancel order in TikTok. So, if you want to know on how to cancel order in TikTok, that's the easiest way I know. And if you know another way on how to cancel order in TikTok, just leave a comment below and be sure to subscribe for more videos. Bye guys!